Are you worried the market is about to crash? Then you should sell your home now. Hi, I'm Scott Neal, the broker of Scott Neal Real Estate in sunny Richardson, Texas, and we help people sell and buy real estate in and around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And I'm talking to a lot of people right now who are extra uncertain about the economy, about the housing market, and right now, as I'm recording this, we still don't even know who is going to be the president of the United States. So there's obviously a lot of controversy going on in our country right now, and a lot of people are not exactly sure what's going to happen with housing, and then that means that they're not exactly sure what they're going to do about their housing. I can tell you this right now, that if you are afraid that the market is going to crash in real estate and you own real estate, you should sell now. Okay, this is a pretty simple understanding of how you should buy and sell. You should buy low and you should sell high. So if you're hanging on to a piece of property right now and you think the value is about to go down, call us today and let's put that home on the market so that you don't lose any value out of your home. Now, I want to give you just a few statistics of what we see happening in the market right now. So according to the profile of home buyers and sellers that's put out every single year by the National Association of Realtors, the average house that people buy is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built right around 1990 and has about 1,850 square feet. Now, if you look at what that costs in the DFW area right now, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home built right around 1990 with about 1,850 square feet will cost you on average about $275,000 today. So just to put that into perspective about what it would cost you to buy, again, according to the profile of home buyers and sellers from the National Association of Realtors, the average down payment is about 12%. So you can get into a home for much, much less. Of course, people routinely put way more down. 20% is a lot of times where people are kind of targeting. There's lots of different reasons for that, but the average down payment is 12%. So if you're looking at a $275,000 average typical home in DFW, a 12% down payment plus your closing costs is probably going to equal right around $40,000. So if you're going to go buy a home today in DFW for right around $275,000, on average, it's going to cost you about $40,000 out of pocket just to get into that home. And then if you take where rates are today, which is right around 2.8% on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, you put that 12% down and you financed all of that amount, and this doesn't even include private mortgage insurance or your mortgage insurance premium, but I'm just talking about principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Your principal and interest payment alone is about $1,000. And if you understand how a mortgage works, you pay most of the interest starts up front, and it's not until you get towards the end of your mortgage when most of your payment is going towards principal. So out of that $1,000 a month, probably about $900 to $925 is just going to interest. So that's the rent that you're paying on the money. But on top of that, you've got taxes and insurance. According to, let's see, insurance.com, the average rate in North Texas for insurance hazard premium is about $3,400 a year right now. And according to Old Republic, who sends us, there's a title company who sends us what the tax rates are around North Texas. The average tax rate in North Texas is about 2.25%. So by the time you take into consideration what your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance payment are going to be on a typical down payment of 12%, you're looking at about an $1,800 a month payment. Now, I want to compare that to what it would cost you to rent a home in the DFW area for that same type of home. So this is just over the last 6 months in the DFW area for a property that is right around built in 1990, right around 1,850 square feet, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The average rental price is $2,000. So if you go buy, your net probably about $200 a month, not even taking into consideration the tax savings that you get from the interest you can write off, and in addition to that, the principal reduction that you have, not even considering the amount of equity that you're going to gain from price appreciation and all the other things. But again, we're talking about the scenario where if you think that the market is about to crash, and how that would compare to if you just went and rented versus buying today. Again, you're going to put down maybe a month's worth of deposit, and you're going to be renting, which means you're not going to be capturing any equity at all. That's just going to be money out the door. It would take you about 17 years to break even from the money that you would put down. So my point is that if you're the type of person right now who is afraid or fearful, or you're just making a calculated guess that prices are about to start going down in DFW, then you should sell now. Don't buy, rent, and wait. Now, if you've been following my channel and you've been seeing what my predictions are, I don't think that an imminent DFW real estate crash is coming. There's many reasons for that. In fact, let me just refer you back to a couple of different videos that I've done. One in particular this week, 4 reasons on why I don't think that the upcoming election is going to impact the real estate or dampen it at all. I want to refer you back to that. So, if you're bullish on real estate like I am, now is obviously a great time to buy, considering the scenario that I just gave you. On average, if you're buying the average type of home in DFW, yes, it's going to cost you more up front, but it's $200 a month cheaper than renting. Plus you own, plus you get all of the added benefits long run. Again, I just put out a video that showed, according to the Federal Reserve, that a homeowner's net worth is 40 times greater than that person who would be renting. So all of this to just say that if you're bullish on real estate and you don't think that we're into a crash, by all means continue to own real estate. But if you're the type of person that is fearful that prices might start to crash very soon, we want to talk to you right now because demand is through the roof. So you should take advantage of the super low interest rates, the super low inventory, the high demand, and sell now. In fact, we can guarantee that we will get your home sold by Inauguration Day. If you call us today, this week, we guarantee we will have your home sold by the time the next president takes office, or we'll just go ahead and step in and buy that home ourselves. So give us a call at our office. Our number is 469-998-3322, or visit us on our website at mydallashomefinder.com. We hope we find out who's president soon. We hope you're staying safe, and we'd love to work with you very soon. Thanks, and happy selling.